for dessert. Let's make Camias jam.
First, let's take a big firm of Camias. And of course, don't forget to wash the Camias. Wash it twice. After washing the Camias, cut this both sides. After cutting our Camias, let's soak it in a 1 liter of water and a 1 tablespoon of lime. You can also use an apple if you don't have a lime.
The next day.
After soaking it overnight, now it's time to boil it. I have a challenge for you. You need to guess what kind of preservative methods that I'm using to make a Camias jar.
After boiling our Camias, we need to drain and press each fruit lightly to remove excess water. After that, we need to boil a water with sugar. With the mixture of 1 cup of water is equivalent to 2 cups of sugar.
The preservation method that I use is sugar. But what is sugar?
This involves desiccating food via dehydration and then packing it into a jar with crystalline sugar or a high-density sugar liquid like honey or molasses. This helps to preserve fruits and vegetables by creating a low water activity environment that is hostile to microbial life. The amount of Camias that is needed is the also amount of the water that we put a while ago.
While we are waiting for our Camias, let's talk about preservation of foods.
Preservation of foods. Food preservation can be defined as the process of treating and handling food in such a way as to stop or greatly slow down spoilage and prevent foodborne illness while maintaining nutritional value, texture, and flavor. This is what it looks like. Don't forget to put it in a low heat so that it will not burn.
After cooking our Camias jam, now it's time to seal it.
Seal it completely and boil it in a water for 20 minutes. I also use Canva to make my own logo. Let me introduce Camias Jam by Winred Hendrix Valencia.